Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a brief review on something a little bit different. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that I have other addictions as well, not just jujube and diaper bags in general, but I am addicted to designer bags or designer luxury bags. So in this case, I wanted to show you guys the one I just got. I'm going to try and move my camera here. Actually, I'm going to get it out of the bag first. So it came in this really thin dust bag. I mean, probably just for packing protection. I wouldn't call it a dust bag, but I put it right back in right after I got it, after I stuffed it. So it came in this little box there, and this is her. Yes, it's her. So you guys can see this bag, it's vintage. I purchased this bag from Japan, and normally when I buy designer bags from Japan, they are authentic, but I don't get hit with any duties or customs, and in this instance I did, so I'm actually pretty bummed about that, but you know, it is what it is. I'm excited to clean her up. I've seen a ton of other videos of how people do this, so I definitely wanted to do my own take on restoring the Louis Vuitton Noe. I think it's pronounced Noe. So that's her. And she's really lovely. Right now I just have her stuffed with actually my daughter's snowsuit. So just something puffy and soft, right? Just in the meantime before I got to cleaning her. So I just wanted to briefly give a rundown of this bag and do a before and after so you guys can see. The straps, you can see, are quite dirty. So I definitely have to condition, and then I'm going to go in and clean it. There is no cracking. I've noticed there's a lot on eBay, for example, that have a ton of cracking along the top vachetta. This one does not, and it is a very nice honey patina. It's just a bit dirty, and there's some rubs on some edges, but I think with some cleaning and conditioning that she's going to clean up real nice. As well, if you guys can see, the brass has tarnish and it's giving off that kind of greenish look. Like, this is true vintage. So just to give you guys an idea how old this bag is, it was made in, this particular one has a date code of 89. So yes, 1989. So I am actually older than this bag. I was looking for an 85. I am from 1985, just so you guys know. So I was hoping to find one in the same year. I love these bags. They have lots of character, and you can get them for a steal, and they're huge. It's just a big old, just gonna take off another bag I have in there. I've just had it stuffed. The inside is in pretty good shape. Probably just wipe it down. Sorry. So getting good lighting there. Yeah. So the inside's in really good shape, and it comes with this strap. I already took it off. So just wanted to show, I'm gonna put the camera down. I want it to fall over. So it comes with this strap. Very pretty. And again, this is an authentic bag. It's just really, really old. It's a vintage piece. And definitely this is not for someone who's not willing to take on a bit of a project. So I love projects. I always look for something that I can restore. It just makes me feel so satisfied afterwards. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this bag will clean up. This is the bottom, so there is a watermark there, or here. I'm not exactly too sure. I'm going to do my best with it. I'm not too concerned about the bottom, but I do want to see if I can get some of the rubbing out, some of the deep, like dark rubs that are in it. But at the end of the day, I got this bag for a steal, despite the customs hitting me with a huge duty. But I'm super excited, and I just wanted to show the products that I will be using to clean this bag. And that was part of the reason why I wanted to do a video. There's a lot of different products out there, and just a brief disclaimer, I am not responsible for any damage that you may cause to your Louis Vuitton or any other designer luxury handbags by trying this process. This is at my own risk. So I just wanted to be very clear. I am not responsible. If you mess up your bag, that's on you. So I'm going to be using Huggies Natural Care, and these are 99% water. So somewhere on there, 99% water. Well, it is in French, 99% water, but they are. I'm going to be using Barkeeper's Friend, and this is for all of the brass grommets. And I'm going to be, before I even start to clean the bag, I'm going to be using the Cadillac leather conditioner. I got this off of Amazon. I believe it was something around $30, plus about $4 of shipping, and that was Canadian. I got this at Canadian Tire for $2.99. This is amazing. It also works on silver jewelry or anything that you may have that's gonna tarnish. I had a bunch of old jewelry that had tarnished in my jewelry box that I had just forgotten about, and I just soaked it in this for about not even a minute, and then I quickly polished them and then rinsed them with water and then polished them again and then rinsed them again, and they look brand new. So I definitely recommend this. It's a huge container, and it's only $2.99, and you can find it at your local Canadian Tire. And then of course Huggies wipes, you guys can get these from any Walmart, and you just need a microfiber cloth and then you're good to go. So I just wanted to briefly show you guys the bag and the condition that she's in. Again, let's remember these gross grommets. Some of them have even turned kind of green, and you can see how green that looks there. So definitely a project. It's probably going to take me a while. I'm not going to film the process, but I will be posting an after video just to show if I'm able to get any of these marks out. Regardless, I will be using this bag. My intention is to use this as a work bag, to use it as a diaper bag if I can, with like maybe an original club insert. It's very big. It's like a big pit. Just show you guys again. So I'm super excited about this, and if you want to if you guys want to see how she turns out, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me any comments that you may have, and I will be posting an update as soon as I'm done. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.